Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel called Bhat Yoga. Namaste to everyone. As I explained in last video that there are three stages of pranayama. One is called purak, where when you inhale the breath. Another is called kumbhak, when you hold the breath. And third one is called rechak, when you release the breath from the right nostril, or vice versa. So during the kumbhak, I mentioned that there are three bandhas are applied. Friends, you might have heard from many yogis, they use the term bandh. Do this bandha, do this bandha. So in today's video, I'm going to explain about the different types of bandhas and what are the roles of the bandhas in pranayama, why they are applied, and how many kinds of the bandhas are there in yoga. Bandha, in other words, is like the bandh, means dam. What dam does, similarly the bandhas are the same thing. In dam, what we do, we collect all the water in a centralized area and we distribute the water where it is required. Similarly, when you take the life energy, prana energy, while inhaling and while holding the breath inside, using the locks or bandhas, these energies are distributed through different channels where it is required. That's why many yogis suggest that you hold the breath 4 times of your inhalation. And as I explained in the previous video, that we have to use this rechak, kumbhak and purak. Purak, kumbhak and rechak in the ratio of 1:4:2. So why it is important that holding the breath 4 times, so that the body can utilize that life energy to distribute different parts of the body to different channels, to channelize the energy stored in the body. Bandhas, in other words, called locks in English. So there are 3 types of bandhas. One is called mool bandhas or root lock, which is done through your anus area. And another is called udyan bandh, which is done through your navel area. And the third bandha is called jalandhar bandh, which is done through your neck area. Why it is called jalandhar? Because there are jars, web of the nerves connecting this area. Because this area and many important nerves are connected through your Vishuddhi chakra, like cranial nerve, vagus nerve and thymus nerve. So that's why if you apply the lock through this area and all the nerves connected to your brains get energy from the life energy. Similarly, it is said that all the 72,000 nadis are connected through the navel root chakra. Even when baby is born, the baby is connected from the mothers through this area only. That's why it is very important, this Nabhi chakra or Manipur chakra. So that if you apply lock through this chakra, and all the nerves connected to this chakra will get the energy. Similarly, the root is called your mool bandhas, that is your main bandhas. So in order to make the 3 bandhas, first you apply the root bandhas and then you apply the Uddiyana bandh and finally your Jalandhar bandh. And while releasing, you release first your Jalandhar bandh, then Uddiyana bandh, then Mool bandh. Basically, it doesn't take much time. As soon as you release those bandhas, it takes a matter of fraction of the second. So, in order to apply the bandhas, what we do, we sit comfortably in the meditative pose. Siddhasan, Padmasan, Ardha Padmasan or Sukhasana. Make your spine, shoulders, spine and neck in a straight line. And make a chin mudra by joining your thumb and index finger. And sit straight and inhale, but just counting the numbers. Maybe you count 5 and then hold for 20 counts. If you have inhaled fully, now contract your NS area and then your navel area, and finally touch the chin to the epiglottis and close both nostrils. And release. Slowly release the breath. As I explained, you have to take, like if you are 1:4:2. So if you are counting 5 rounds, 5 count, so you hold 20 counts inside and 10 counts while releasing the breath. Basically, in counting, you might have count fast like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe you count 1, 2, 3. So it's better to have the stopwatch so that you can correctly, in correct time of inhalation and correct time of holding the breath inside. So that was all about the bandhas, how the bandha work. Initially, you try to first inhale and exhale slowly. If you have not practiced much pranayama, it's very difficult to hold the breath. So first start with inhaling like purak and rechak, like taking longer time, like twice the time, slowly increase. Then if you have practiced those while purak and rechak, then you can try to hold kumbhak and then you try to apply these locks. You can't straight away apply because if you have not practiced well, it is very difficult. It will choke your heart. So I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, share and among your friends, put your comments. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel so that as many people can get the benefits of this yoga. I will see you in next video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy and keep doing yoga and pranayama in your daily life. Goodbye and namaste to everyone.
पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि।